This is Giovanni. I met Giovanni 6 months ago. He came up to me saying that he was very interested in real estate and wholesaling, and I laid it out for him. And after a long time of hard work, he's closed 3 deals in the past 45 days. Gio, what are a few? Well, first of all, what's one thing that you would tell yourself a year ago when you barely started learning about real estate?
I would tell myself, one, it's gonna take work. It just doesn't happen. It's gonna take a lot of work. You're gonna have to be very persistent. Persistence is key to this whole process, and just believe it's gonna happen if you put in the work, just like anything else in life, right?
Nice. And now talking more practically for someone that is just starting out, and then for someone that has been in the business maybe a couple months and hasn't seen any results, what are a few steps, actionable steps that they can take to get results, or at least be on the path to see results?
So if you haven't seen results yet, and if you're already, let's say, walking your neighborhood, writing down these addresses, you're searching, you're getting the numbers, you're talking to homeowners, keep making those phone calls, keep hearing those no's. I know it sounds cliche when you hear it all the time, but each no is just closer to that one yes, and that's all you need, right? You need that one yes to show you that, oh yeah, this is definitely possible. So I would say, just at the end of the day, just keep getting those properties, keep looking for those properties that look like money, right? Those ugly ones, when you see that ugly property, just think like, that's money. When everybody else looks at it and says, oh, that's an ugly house. No, that's not an ugly house. That's your money.
Yeah. And guys, one of the things that Gio didn't mention is that he has a full-time job, he has a family, and he was still making 100 to 200 calls a day, putting in work. 2 months went by, 3 months went by, 4 months went by, and he wasn't getting anything. Until then, it paid off. So like he said, if you put in the work, it will happen. And no matter your circumstance, no matter your environment, guys, commit to it. Figure out what you want first, commit to it, and then stay with it consistently for at least 6 months before you even think about quitting. Anything else, Gio?
Again, it takes belief in just knowing, just believing in yourself, like you know it's gonna happen. Just keep going.
Awesome. Talk to you later soon. Talk to you later, guys.